I'll cover the details of Indian machinations of Pakistan's destabilization and economic coercion by presenting evidence of Indian funding of terrorism, weapons and equipment support to terrorists, terrorist training, and different terrorist incidents and activities that they've sponsored. The recent upsurge in the violence in Pakistan is a direct consequence of India's intensified engagements with all brands of terrorists, subnationalists, and dissidents. After unification of Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan with its breakaway factions Jamaat-ul-Ahrar and Hizb-ul-Ahrar, in August 2020, that organization is being shown on the screen right now, India has been endeavoring to establish a consortium of Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan with proscribed dissident groups of Balochistan, that is BLA, BLF, and BRA.